Do you know you can earn money without even investing a penny? Yes, it's possible. This is a legal and authentic method to make money in 2024. I want to introduce you to PK Adolfo and know that this platform is a platform which does not promote anything illegal. Everything here is for educational purposes only. On my phone screen, you can see this platform called the Light Pick. All you need to do is check in the link in the description in order for you to register an account. As you can see, it's a new created account, and this account, I'm having two accounts. This account was created purposely for this video. In my main account, I've made a whole lot of income. Fortunately for you, you can just complete surveys, you can just play games, and you can repair friends in order for you to earn a decent income each and every single day. This is a side hustle idea which can help you much. As you can see on my screen, there are certain games such as the Ludo, Spa, and a whole lot. You can do all these things and you are going to earn passive income. Fortunately for you, the withdrawal method is also simple. You can withdraw to your Faucet Pay account, your Coinbase account, your Binance account, and any account. If you're having any issue, you can leave a comment in the comment section, and I and my crew will help you in order for you to get answers or solutions to your questions. This will help you make great passive income. You can even configure, or you can even set the amount of profit or commission you want to get when your friend registers an account. Copy your referral link and share it as much as people as you can. You can make more research about the Lightpick platform, and this will help you very much. I hope this guides you. Have a nice day and goodbye.